Bartender Cookout is back again on August 16, 2025. If you don't remember the last cookout, I know you not going to miss this. So, lock the date and don't be late. Make sure you secure the orders from now. Bartender Cookout is the place to be. See you there.
Preparing to leave now, sir. Shades is already on location, and I waiting on Whisper to pick me up. Yes, sir, will do. Okay.
Hey babe, I just got a hold of the phone and I just wanted to send you a quick message because they're restricted from having phones and stuff like that right now. They moved me from the location that I was before when I snuck away and then carried me to this other place. I don't even know. Well, I don't know what they did. Right now, I'm sneaking in my bathroom and I turn on the shower. If you hear water running, it's a shower because I don't want to hear me and talk. So I'm trying to send you a quick message, babe. I just wanted to tell you that I love you and I miss you so much. Please tell this thing that I love you every fiber in me. I'll see her sooner than she thinks because I have something up my sleeve. I want to hear you boys. Just send me like a message quick. Because as I said, I'm not supposed to have any phone. And just please tell me you love me and you miss me in this message. Because really I need this right now. Yeah, I'm coming. Babe, I have to go. Bye. Bye, babe. Bye, I love you so much.
Yeah, Bubbles?
Alright, me I come on side now.
Mama ask you something. Una alright?
Yeah, man.
Yeah, I'm alright.
I'm good.
Una realize say for the entire journey, una quiet?
Oh, I told me to focus on the road, man.
So you there focus on the road though?
No, but I think about who me gonna get to paint the living room.
You go paint the living room? You know, say the other day me that think about paint my one too. But know somebody what me can suggest.
Alright, give me number one when we finish this.
Alright, take a seat, guys. Alright, so Mr. Mullins get a tip. Say there might be some guns coming in down here on a cruise ship. That is why we are here.